There we go. What is up, guys? Fishing Colorado, coming back at you guys with another great video here. I apologize, the sun is super bright right now, guys, but we just had our boy Pescando Colorado invite us out here today.
Hey, good.
And then we had our other buddy right here, Iglesias, right here. And we're out here getting on some really nice fish, guys. We've been fishing for a while already. We're just gonna continue. We're using a few different presentations. Small tungsten jig heads seem to be the key, guys, but we're just gonna keep it rolling. Oh, you got one? Let's go. Fly getting on this first one right here.
Oh.
What a beauty.
One.
What a beauty though. Man. That's a beautiful little fish, guys. Damn, what the heck? Oh. Let's see it. Ooh, little buddy.
Little baby.
Nice, guys, look at that.
First
And believe it or not, guys, off the shrimp. Crushing the shrimp off the jaw jacker, guys.
Right there.
Little beauty. She's going back. Ooh. They just like rolled through right there. Because I just had a bite just now too.
La tengo. Ahí está, mis señores.
Nice.
Vivo y a todo color. Mi jaw jacker.
All right, guys, well, after fishing all morning, we finally decided to downsize. I was fishing with a jigging wrap, and I actually got 3 bites on that. And then I fished the little tough guy that we were fishing last video, and I only got 1 bite on that. But it seemed like the key is really going to be a smaller presentation, guys, with a little bit of that bluegill meat. Got one. Yes. Finally. Jeez. It's the first. You know, it took a while, but we got him. Guys, so really awesome first fish of 2020 ice. All right, we're gonna get him out of here. Got another one. Oh, it's a good one. Nice, guys. We're getting on them. Nice. I had to switch to a little tiny tungsten. Dang, guys. My camera was off, but that's probably the nicest one. That's a good one. You want it? Yeah. Yeah? Some really pretty colors on this one. And we're just gonna give this to our buddy right here. He's just gonna limit out on a few trout. Just gonna clean this guy up and make a nice little meal out of him. I'm gonna eat it. Oh, there we go. Ugh. I knew it. I knew it. Good one. That's a good one. Look at the color on these fish, guys.
Pretty shiny.
Beautiful green coats of all these fish.
Let it go. Let it grow.
Hooked up on the jaw jacker. Ooh, that's a pretty good one.
Oh yeah.
Nice. The colors on that boy. That's a little more pink than green.
Yep.
All in a little tungsten, guys.
Yeah.
It's the killer out here today, guys. They're liking that smaller presentation. And it's either that shrimp or a little bit of bluegill meat. And it seems like scent is the big key.
Yeah, scent is the key right now.
Yep. Dang it. Dang, yeah, I had him. There we go. Nice. Alright guys, we're trying to get one last fish, guys. I got 9% left on my deeper sonar. We're just gonna try to jig out one last fish before we lose this battery. There we go. Yes. Man, I was like, I'm trying to get this on before my sonar died. I have like 7%. Damn, look at the colors on this one. Look at the colors on this fish, guys. It is like super green and yellowish. It is definitely lacking in pink tones, guys. And this is probably gonna be our last fish of the day, guys. All right guys, we're just wrapping up out here, but we all had a great day out here. Overall, I'd say the three of us combined got about 25 plus fish, guys. So it was a killer day out here, and they were eating a variety of different baits, guys. But the key, like I said, guys, was scent. Really, it wasn't too particular on which scent, but it was something strong. Shrimp, cut bait. We even brought a little bit of squid, guys. But anyways, guys, I hope a few of you try these tips out on your ice fishing season. Thank you guys all for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.